Good morning, everyone. It is lovely here this morning. I'm getting ready to head down. It's about 7:30 in the morning. So this is what I did yesterday. Sorry, I only got a little bit, I believe, of working on this. I see the chipmunk already made a hole. I watered it. There's supposed to be rain tomorrow, so I'm assuming everything is going to be okay. Love how this looks. So I have this all planted. Love to see that the hostas have recovered. I have campanella here, miniature daisies here, black-eyed Susans there, blue iris here. I have more campanella there, large Shasta daisies, love them. And I have a stone crop over there. I'm going to put hens and chicks and some sedum, little miniature sedum on the end there, and perhaps a little bit here. So I widened the walkway a bit and I really like it. I'm definitely not using these stones. I'm going to use something narrower, which will give me a little bit more space here for the flowers. So super excited. So did not get to this at all. Those stones there are not completely level. I've decided that I'm going to leave that big hosta there. So there's a stump here. So glad that the wall is on the inside of that stump. We can leave it there because it's below the stones, so it can get covered with sand. So over here, I'm going to continue that. Part of that hosta is going to get moved over there. All of this here is going to be moved in there. I actually have more plants than I need. I don't like to put them too close together because they're all perennials. They'll get big enough very soon. So I'm going to build the wall that way, and I am going to bring it out this way, balloon it out to come and meet the trunk here. I decided that. So it'll give it a nice change and will balance the little belly over there. So I'm absolutely loving it from the cottage. It looks phenomenal. Yeah, I couldn't stop looking after I went in last night. I really have to go because these mosquitoes are killing me. I'm going to try and get this shot from the deck so you can see how cute it looks. And I like that I maintain the line, not the same line, but somewhat of a line of what we had before. So yeah, this is it from here. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can zoom in. That's before, after, before, after. I am so pleased with the outcome. So pleased. My goodness. And I love that I widened the walk because it just, I can just see the kids, you know, when we get off the stairs there, they would just zip right across. This way it gives them a place to cross and they're not trampling through the garden. So last night I was in bed and I heard something scratching. It seemed at the wall, and it seemed like they got into the roof. Oh my gosh. And it seemed like they were right above my bedroom. I freaked out, came out. It was a raccoon. I don't know if I scared him out of there's no way for him to get up on the roof. So I don't know where this scratching came from, unless he was trying to get across here, because he does come up on the deck on a regular basis. So I don't know why, but yeah, scared the gajebers out of me. They've started working here. They're going to be dismantling this wall and removing these rocks and replacing them with viable rocks. So they've started today. I'll just give you an update of what they're doing. So the deck they've dismantled. They were going to move it initially, but they're cutting it into 3 parts. I don't know why he removed these pieces. They all seem to be in the same area. Looks very different with the deck down. I kind of like the openness of it, so that I really like the openness of it. It's beautiful. So Dragon is finally on a flat piece here. So before I head home tonight or tomorrow, I'll just drive a couple of screws in place so he doesn't, yeah, his poor little foot is broken. So that he doesn't go flying with, if we have any wind, any strong winds. Today is breezy. Look at this. So they delivered the rock yesterday, so I'll just give you a little tour. Yeah, they've removed the locks from here. I don't know where that bag of insulation went, but it needs to be put back up over there. So this is our septic system. They're going to secure it. Oh, progress, progress. 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 I have to stay focused. It's just something else that needs to be done. Oh my goodness. I hope they do a good job. Yeah. So they have all the decking over there to replace. So When I leave, I'm going to have to come down the stairs and around this way, so I think there's a pathway to walk up. Nope, unless I want to be climbing these rocks. That's not cool. But I can always come up this way and still go out. So these things are massive. I'm assuming that they're going to cut them. I don't know. But it looks like our driveway. He said that he'll clean everything up. I hope so. I hope so. I'm so tired of hearing everyone talking to us about you won't even know we're here. I wonder if this is a catchphrase for contractors, because I do know, and they leave a mess. So